Welcome back, everybody, and today we're going to take a look at the Cicada all-in-one flight controller. Comes with your plastic screws and everything you need to mount it. BEC runs DSHOT motors 1, 2, 3, and 4. Positive and negative battery leads. Labeled on the board that it 2 to 4S LiPo. On this side of the board, I see a spot for a buzzer. Looks like some 5-volt and some ground, and S-bus and ground and 5-volt. This is an all-in-one, a true all-in-one flight controller, ESC, BEC in one. The BEC is 3 amps, 5 volts. I believe I already stated down here this supports a 2 to 4S LiPo, 30 amp ESC. I actually like that it's a blue board. I think that's pretty cool. Here is your USB, micro USB for you to flash Betaflight and configure everything. It's compatible with DSHOT 600, 30 amp continuous, 35 amp burst ESC, current sensor, BEC, 36 by 36 millimeter mounts. That's pretty much it for the features and everything. It's not a very complicated board. It's not a very expensive board. It's just meant for, I just bought it to get in the air. All I need is I will put a buzzer on it since it's got a place for it. I do have a buzzer. I'm just going to put a radio on it. I'm going to slap some motors to it, stick it inside my frame, and I'm going to try to fly. That's pretty much about all I can tell you on the review part. This is what I'm going to use for my 5-inch build. If you want to keep up with that and follow that, please like and subscribe and keep up with me. I thank everybody for watching. I appreciate your time, and everybody be safe.